1. All natural systems, both in living and non-living nature, inherit the properties of a specific system of elementary particles, such as the tendency to conserve energy, that act as the elementary genotype or main gene. This main gene is a system-building program that is replicated via a matrix, in other words, by precisely copying massive numbers of complex structures and the information encoded in them. 2. This system of elementary particles, or main gene, has properties that determine the properties of living nature, and their expression has continued for 15 to 20 billion years, the estimated age of the universe since the Big Bang. However, these properties only came to be implemented 4 billion years ago, as soon as the conditions in the ecosystem allowed life to appear on Earth. 3. While the properties of a given main gene are continually expressed, they only materialize when the conditions within an ecosystem are favorable. Therefore, looking beyond living and non-living nature, there can be a whole host of other states of matter that emerge under other conditions. 4. The main gene's properties themselves undergo change during the process of evolution. In other words, while a given system of elementary particles acts as a genotype, the program according to which the universe is constructed, the natural system is itself capable of making corrections to the properties of the main gene. 5. The Big Bang theory presupposes the birth of particles with qualitatively new properties that determine the development of the universe up to the point of a new bang with its own new particles possessed of qualitatively new properties, and so on and so forth. The main conclusion: any natural system may, to a certain extent, correct the properties of its main gene. Human progress and our level of technical and moral development are capable of changing the main gene's properties. It is this elementary genotype that can explain how the laws of nature govern everything, even in the farthest reaches of the universe. It would be logical to assume that the atom ought to be the system of elementary particles acting as the main gene, or elementary genotype. In other words, the atom is the elementary genotype, the main gene. Some say that life appeared on Earth as the result of a fantastic coincidence involving millions of factors, an unbelievable accident. But is that how nature behaves? Is nature ever surprised at what it has wrought? It seems more realistic that the progene has properties that match the properties of living nature, expressed over the course of 15 to 20 billion years, and only materializing 4 billion years ago with the appearance of life. Countless combinations of the main gene's properties are constantly arising, but they only materialize when they meet with favorable conditions in a specific ecosystem. This can be demonstrated to correlate with various natural phenomena, such as seismic events.